Welcome to the HUBSAN H122D tutorial series. This tutorial will demo some of the H122D's acro capabilities. Watch these guys just tear it up on the screen. Can't wait to start? Don't rush the process. Train basic acro foundation first to advance your skills to flip and roll with the best of them. Your aircraft is capable of 360-degree rollovers and flips. To better perform the rolls and flips, please ensure that the aircraft is at a safe height from the ground. We recommend rolling the aircraft while it is ascending so that it more easily maintains its height after flipping or rolling. The left roll. Short press the throttle. You should feel and hear a click, and push the non-throttle joystick left to have the aircraft perform a left roll. A right roll. Short press the throttle. You should feel and hear a click, and push the non-throttle joystick right. The aircraft will perform a right roll. Front flip. Short press the throttle. You should feel and hear a click, and push the non-throttle joystick forward. The aircraft will then perform a front flip. Back flip. Short press the throttle. You should feel and hear a click, and push the non-throttle joystick backward. The aircraft will perform a back flip. This concludes the H122D video tutorial on acrobatics. Thanks for watching.